Good morning guys. Time check 8:40 and gigising lang natin and it is the time na punta tayo ng Edmonton. Singin natin sila. Good morning. Good morning. This is the day that we go our way. This is the day. Good morning. Oh, hello? Hello guys! Are you excited? Excited? Who's excited? Taas ang kamay! Yay! No? Celebrate namin birthday girl. Laps na. Ano sabi mo sa birthday mo? Anong gusto ni Bella sa birthday niya? Playground? Okay na ang ating kape. Ang tsatsa na. Just want to. Okay guys, we're ready na. And we're gonna book na ng Uber. So yun. Alis na kami. Titimbang na lang kami sa sasarado ng luggage. Are you guys ready?
No.
I book Uber? Okay, let's see. Uber. Okay, for 4 minutes here. Yes? Okay. Okay. I'll close it off first. Say hi.
Hi.
Go.
Offre boissons alcoolisées. Je serai sans vol. À bientôt. Veuillez consulter le menu dans la pochette devant vous pour connaître aux membres de récompense WestJet.
Look at all the cotton candy.
Owen! Ano gagawin natin dito?
Huh?
Ano gagawin natin? I-pick up tayo ng car.
It's so high actually. Wait, hold on.
Guys, natulog sila sa biyahe. Ito muna kami sa Walmart. Alright. Ito muna kami sa Walmart. Mamimili kami ng mga kailangan. Natitingnan namin kung ano mga kailangan. So, andito kami guys ngayon sa Edmonton Walmart. So, yun o. Hintayin namin sila bago kami pumunta ng West Edmonton Mall para mag-swimming. Second stop, West Edmonton Mall. Hinihintay kami dito kasi 9:49 pa lang. 10 o'clock ang bukas ng Edmonton Mall. Pero papasok na rin kami. Nakita niyo ba yun? Katabi na lang niya yung water park. Camper natin, ayun o.
Mom, Lawrence.
St. Lawrence. You're excited na? Ha? You guys excited sa...
Nagsashopping yung mata ng mami.
Sa shopping yung ito. Kiyari-kiyariwan ka mamaya pag pumasok ka dyan. Wala kakain.
Hindi tayo kakain.
You know that thing? There's a wave on that.
I'm trying pink slide.
Ito na yung aming first food of the day.
Or tall.
Ano yung order namin? Chinese food. Tipid lang tayo.
Mara, first food yung mara. Teka lang ha, ano to? 2
Right.
items.
Excited na? Oh.
That's not mine.
Alright, ito na. So clear, right?
What these did, right?
So clear, right? Ganda. The ship. Wanna go there?
Can we go on?
With chocolate.
Let's go. Let's go.
With chocolate.
Let's go. Ano ba?
Cute.
Tuli lang eh. Buti naman. Let's go. Tanggalin mo yung cup mo pagka naglalas ka.
Pero naman, ito to ha.
Sige, ingat kayo. Ingat.
Kayo, dumating.
Oo, kanina lang. Papasok pa lang. Ingat, ingat. Four? Ha? Oh, like it? Go here first. Go, let's go. Go, you gotta go, Reese. Go, go, go. Wala. Kasi ka. Dagat. Di pwede. Galaxy. Bye bye. Bye bye na kayo sa... Are you having fun?
Hungry.
Ha? Mukhang hindi ka naging nag-fun ah. Pulang-pula yung mata mo. Okay guys, next stop namin, Dollarama.
Wait lang. Inisa din ano.
Alright guys, after 2 hours and a half na drive, almost 2 hours and a half na kami. Time check 8:27, almost 8:30.
Check-in ako.
Mag-check-in na kami dito sa Simpling Hotel, Rodway Inn. Morning guys, today is Bella's birthday. Yan siya, papuntahan namin siya. Happy birthday, Be!
Happy birthday, Bella. Morning.
Happy birthday to you.
Hawakan mo.
Happy birthday to you.
Mama.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Ayun, malap ka muna sa camera.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Make a wish, Bella. Up mo na yung... Up mo yung ano na, daddy. Make a wish.
It's a nice sun today. And we're checking out. Medyo layo-layo pa mga drive natin. 4 hours. Mag-drive pa tayo ng 4 hours papunta sa EDS sa may Jasper. Sa diretso tayo ng Malane Lake. Pero mag-stop over muna kami sa Jasper. Magsa-sightseeing doon. Then pa kami ng Malane Lake. This goes another 2 hours from Jasper. So ngayon, nag-ready muna kami as go. Okay. Alright guys, I'll see you later sa aming trip. Taking out kami, 1 hour and 44 minutes. Papuntang Jasper. Hey guys, you ready? Day 2.
It's Bella's birthday!
So yun guys, andito kami ngayon sa town ng Jasper habang hinihintay ko sila kasi si Bella daw dahil birthday niya, bibili siya ng souvenir doon. So yun, ando kami sa may bear gift doon. Kita nyo naman guys ang Jasper kung gaano kaganda. Damn, what you got? Oh, what's that?
Stuffy.
What kind of stuff is that?
I don't know.
You don't know? Oh boy. And we're going to Malane Lake. It'll take us 50 minutes drive. Nag-grow na. It's growing. And look, they're growing now. All these flowers. Explosion Trail. Yeah, nature will recover. Nature will recover. As may mutot. I hear that. Narinig nyo ba guys yung mutot na? Nasunog na nga, na-pollute pa yung air. Kasi nangyari yun. Yan guys yung nangyari sa forest fire. You guys.
This right here is one of the corners of the window.
Let's go, selfie.
Wow. Wow.
First stop namin dito na Malin Canyon sana, kaya lang sarado pala yung trail. Hindi kami makapunta sa malakas na agos. And hindi rin ako nakapag-sunblock. Ayun. Init! Alright guys, I'll see you next stop. I'll be Malin Lake na. This is the time lapse na time na. Ano papunta Malin Canyon? The biking. So nag-stop kami guys dito sa side ng road kasi nakakita kami ng mountain goats. Oh nice. Yeah.
Can we give some candy sound?
Ayun na po sila, naghintuan na po lahat ng tao dito kasi dahil sa kapirasong goats. Ito nyo naman guys kung gaano kasabi ang mga tao dito. Nakakita lang ng kapirasong goat. Ano na. Sa Pinas, tanghalian lang namin yung goat na yan. Guys, we're here sa Malin Lake and we are far away. Walang signal dito kaya nahirapan kami mag-navigate and medyo muntik na kami lumagpas. So we're going down. Ayan sila. Look at the view. That's the Malin Lake Cruise. So clear. The water is so clear. Look at that.
I don't want to put it in anymore.
What's that?
Water.
Halika na, papapicture na agad.
Do you know what's that made from the skin of the moose? Huh?
How do you do that?
Yeah, they can make it dry. That's the leather meat.
What is
Nice.
this? This is
Huh?
different.
Oh. What is this?
Oh, soap.
Soap from the
Soap
stone?
No? I just soap. No soap. It smells bad.
Stone?
Mama, no.
Huh? Smell. Smells like nature. Alright. Alright guys. Wow, it's so clear. Maybe makita mo yung isda dyan, kuya. Are you tired, baby? Are you hungry? Okay guys, tapos na kami dito sa Malin Lake. Ito, nag-hiking kami. Palabas sa parking. Babalik kami dito siguro para kumain. Dito kami kakain. And right now, gonna go to Medicine Lake and I'll see you later. And guys, napag-desisyon na namin na tanghali na pala. Balik kami dito sa restaurant dito. Dito na kami mag-lunch. Cheers for mommy. Oh, I like it in your birthday. Favorite part? It's over right here. Side Malin Park.
No, not me. Well, you have to scroll.
Yeah. So yun guys, pauwi kami. Balik kami ng Jasper. And galing kami ng Malin Lake. Ito na rin kami ng brunch. Hello guys!
Hello!
So ito kami, papasok kami sa Jasper. It's a nice view here. Kaya lang nasunog ang Malin Lake. Mga Malin Forestry dito. So, ang suggested ChatGPT is explore daw namin to. So, lakad-lakad, tingnan namin. Nakakita kami ng museum dito. And we'll see kung ano meron dito. Meron itong CN Railway. Mga steamboat siya. So, ayun guys yung museum. So, yeah. Mga open siya. Doon yung mga bata sa loob. And let's see. Ano meron? Guys, leave the animal inside, okay?
No?
Leave the animal inside, sabi.
We are leaving. This is my stuffy.
Oh, yeah. Is it yours? O, ito yung mga wildlife dito.
Look at the cat. Mom, look. Mom,
Look at that beautiful mountain. Yung mga dami pa lang nasunog talaga, nangiting lahat. Oh.
Again. It's fine. It's again.
Ganda niya, no? Kasi na niyo yung mountain sa harapan natin, oh. Ganda. Ganda ni Mami.
Jacob.
Sa gilid na natin. Pumunta kami guys ngayon ng Athabasca River o Athabasca Falls. Siguro yung Athabasca River kung saan nagagaling yung tubig na yan, yung falls. So yun. Ito medyo sunog pa rin yung part na to. Nakakalungkot pa rin. Hindi na green sana yung bundok na yan, kaya lang naging brown na and black dahil sa sunog nung last year. Okay. See you next. Ito pa rin yung mga remains ng nangyaring forest fire.
Where's the ball?
Nice.
Where's the waterfall?
Tao. Guys, Jacob, don't do anything, ha? Hindi ka bubuhayin yan. RIP ka agad yan. RIP ka agad yan. RIP ka agad yan. Pagka ikaw, you disobey the rules. Yeah guys, at Athabasca Falls. Oh. Yeah. Hawa ang Jasper. Dito naman tayo sa kabilang side. Saan may malakas dito. Kung gaano kalakas to. Ang guy to, galit na galit. Yeah. So ayun guys, ito kami sa Tabasca ngayon. Pahinga lang. Ayun siya. So ayun yung nakabagsakan niya. Kaya naman gaano karaming tubig ang maubuhos doon. Sa napakaliit na panel na yun. Ayun. Alis na kami ngayon at maghahabol pa kami ng oras. Alright, let's go.
Yes, let's go guys. Next stop, San Juan.
San Marta. Oh, Lower Canyon. Let's see what. Here. Lower Canyon. Oh, ito pala yung ano, picture na. Yeah. Bamba. Lion King.
Mamaya punta tayo doon. Ganun picture mo lang.
May pabalik na. Okay. Oh.
Pwede sana bumaba dito.
Yeah. Oh boy, look what had happened. Swimming. There's a lot of flapping butterfly. Kami.
Arito na ako.
See what's up in here? Oh, okay. That's the Lower Canyon.
Okay.
Put your hands. Look at this beautiful town of Jasper. So nice. So, maglalakad kami doon, magpapapicture kami.
Yeah, like there.
Right, let's go guys.
Let's go, guys. Update, huh?
Update. Ayan po si Bella. Pagod na. Birthday girl.
Look, I made a
Gusto
new
niya yata
bracelet.
umuwi yata sabi niya Park. Oh, anong bracelet yan?
Grass.
Grass bracelet? From where? From what grass?
I don't know.
Grass of Athabasca?
Yeah.
Atabas grass?
Yeah.
Oh, man. You're grown up na, hindi ka pa sanay magtayo ng shoes. Why you don't do it? Huh? Is it your birthday? So yesterday? Right. Is a straw hat for men? Okay ba to? Ganda, Columbia. Oh. Wala.
Flavor, Bella yung flavor.
Good.
Can I get mango?
Yan. Jasper Post Office. Dito yan sa Jasper. Ayan yung post office nila. Yan. Dito na kami ngayon sa bayan ng Hinton. Dito kami mag check-in sa Super 8 kasi si Bella ay 8 years old. Ayun. Pagod na ang ating lolo. Ayun guys. Muna tayo dito. Check-in muna tayo. Mga gamit. Sabog-sabog. Ayan o. Ayusin natin mamaya yan. Tayo kami umakyat. Okay guys, bye. Update ko kayo mamaya. At baka bukas na. Sobrang pagod. Nakakatulog na agad. Bye. So, ito yung room namin. Nandito kami ngayon sa Super 8. Kasi Super 8 dahil
8 na ako.
8 na years old na si Bella. Ayun, nice room to. Better than yesterday. Medyo pricey lang kasi malapit sa Jasper. Ang Hinton. Medyo dulo ng Hinton to kaya pa, ha?
Ito si the mountain.
There's no mountain. That's a hill. Not a mountain.
Mom,
Okay.
look. Yun na, pinag-
Pahinga muna kami. Mag-unload na ako ng tiyan ko.
Chakwa. Ano chakwa?
Yung magsiswimming daw sila.
Swim.
May mga swimmers. Are you gonna go for swimming? Oh boy. Alright.
Dati may message kita kung pwede.
Morning. Good morning guys. Dalawa yung ama namin pero isa lang kami.
Your breath.
So yun nga guys.
Selfie. Daddy naman. Selfie na lang.
Selfie na lang daw. Okay guys. Going. Update. Kailangan makalis na kami ng 6:30 para hindi kami malate sa kulong guys. But how are you? Okay, good.
Mom.
Alright. Need to hurry. Hurry guys. Hurry up. Alright. Hi, Mommy. Good morning.
Morning.
Alright, guys. We're going to Columbia Icefield. So, yun guys, good morning. Nagpagas muna ako dito sa nakalimutan ko nakabukas. Gas tank. So, yun, nagpagas muna ako bago kami pumunta ng Columbia Icefield. And medyo nasipon tayo. Ayun guys, nadaanan ko na sila. Tapos na siguro sila mag-breakfast. Nag-fast breakfast lang ako. Sa iyo ko na ulit kumulo yung truck ko. Yan, hirap. Ayun. Sabayin na natin sila. So, be another 4 hours yata. Papunta dun sa may Columbia Icefield. Kaya didiretso na kami mamayang gabi ng Calgary. So, I hope it'll be more fun today. And sana hindi magtuloy-tuloy ang aking sakit. Ito nararamdaman ko na, nagpaparamdam na ang aking lalamunan. Okay guys, we're going na. Good morning. Sun is almost up and we're going to
Teka.
Columbia Icefield.
Teka, meron.
So guys, morning, nandito kami ngayon sa Columbia Icefield. And we're gonna ride away. Right? That's a bad boy.
Right way here.
Okay.
Thank you so much. I'll get this done really quickly. Perfect, there you are. So just
Okay.
right at the store to bus 242.
Thank you.
Good stuff.
Ayun too.
Nation land. And that land borders the 286 and the 288, just number 4. And we do work closely with our indigenous partners, who are the Cree and the Stoney Nakoda. They do allow us to share their history with you today. If you take a look out to the left side of the bus here, you are going to see the mighty Athabasca Glacier. And that is the glacier that you will be walking on in just a short amount of time. The Stoney Nakoda call the Athabasca Glacier Cha-Hatonga, and that translates in. During the early 1900s, it was difficult for mountaineers and explorers to get up here to see the Athabasca Glacier, but if they did want to see it, they would have to come up by horseback, and quite often that would take them several days.
Hey, we are driving bus number 545, which is the Moose Bus. And this right here. It'll be here for a
Water
longer
did?
than the rest of the
Yeah, kasi mag-member
When you
na
have
siya.
capacity is
Before,
completely gone,
remember,
you'll still have tons of ice slowly melting
during the Ice Age,
flying
ang
as
taas
fresh
yan.
water as it
During the
goes
Ice Age, hanggang taas yan.
And speaking of fresh water, we have approached on glaciers, mill wells. And you know probably guess that a mill well is pretty dangerous. But it's not the only danger on a glacier. That's because we also have tons of things called crevasses scattered all throughout a glacier. And a crevasse is more like a crack into a hole.
Yeah. Huh?
I think it's water from a million years.
Yeah.
Actually,
Yeah. Could taste it.
Huh?
Could taste it.
Huh?
Yeah, we could taste it.
But then, is it edible?
Yeah, edible.
Okay.
Mmm. Yeah. Huh? Hey Bella, like this. So ayun guys, dito tayo ngayon sa Columbia Icefield or yung glacier na nagsimula pa nung Ice Age. So ito na rin natitira, nalusaw na iba, and then isda. Yan yung mga sinakyan namin, 6x6. Ano naman yung gulong. Look at that, so high. Alright guys, so we're going in na. Nulit lang natin dito kasi naisipon tayo, gano'n na rin kung may kasap. Alright, yeah, picture. And guys, tapos na kami sa Icefield or sa glacier walk namin. Yung sinakyan namin, yung laki. So big, kuya, right? So magta-transfer kami sa bus, pupunta kami sa Skywalk, and that will be the part ng second part ng Columbia Icefield tour na recommended every time na visit kayo ng Jasper or ng Banff. So,
Mountains to practice mountain warfare. The old highway does intersect with the new highway at several locations. And if you take a look out to the right side,
ha?
Paano pa hindi na ka makikita?
Daan na. Look how high. Okay. This is how thick.
Ano?
That's how thick is the glass.
So dito? And this is the
This is the bolt. Yung mga bolts niya. Do not jump on the glass. Like your feet para clear. Para hindi dumumi. Whoa. Look at that.
That would be scary. That's fun.
水就不能推它，你这水掉下去掉下去。
Whoa.
Ah, sit there. Let's go.
Why is there so many dogs?
Look at that. Goat. Goat. Yeah.
Wow, it's going up. Oh, what if it goes over the fence? I just can't go.
Na kami sa ice field. Kaya rin namin mag ice field. Ano? 94. 94. Oh, hindi kami bibili. Okay guys. Punta kami sa ice field. Pagod. Wait, stop lang kami. Then, we're gonna go sa bank. Going sa Sky Bridge.
Dito sa daddy.
Gusto
Muna tayo.
Daddy.
Saan muna tayo kama?
Tama tayong Pay to Lake. A quick stop lang, picture lang.
I mean, dito sa
Pay to Lake along the highway. Nakabow Lake.
Right?
Then,
Answer.
punta na kami sa
Oh, my
Sky Bridge.
Kay Kuya daw.
Alright guys,
Gusto mo ba kuya?
ito yung glacier.
Dito na.
Nakikita dyan pero
Glacier!
nakikita nyo mamaya. Alright, we're going na. I'll see you on the next. Oh guys, did you have fun? Huh? Did you have fun with the surprise?
Ilang oras tayo din? Ilang oras tayo naman? 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. Almost 4 hours na.
Sa oras yung pag-nili ng t-shirt.
Tapos hindi mo ba na?
At hindi mo na. So, sabi sa inyo guys, kaninang video ko, wala doon hanggang ngayon sa oras yun. Hindi makapag-decision. Okay guys, see you around. So guys, we're here on Pay to Lake. And natin yung parking. Buti na, aswerte tayo ng parking dito. And we're going na. I'll see you in there. So we're here, Pay to Lake.
Oh, where did you find it? It's so far.
Okay. Ayun. Mga hike.
Yay! What? Oh! Yay! Ano? Ano?
Kabaho.
Ano?
Amoy puwet.
Sino?
Yung mga yun.
The racing. Well,
Climbing mode,
Sport mode.
sport mode. How about you?
Nothing mode.
Nothing mode.
I don't have any mode.
We're going easier trail. That's the hard trail. No, it's so high to dip our. Ako kaya nakala mo naka-cross ka.
Yeah, that's really good stuff. I'm gonna take a stop.
Oh, tingnan mo yan, oh. Tingnan mo yan, oh. Grabe naman bungas dun.
I don't see it.
Okay.
It's really cute.
Ha? Man, next stop namin guys is Bow Lake. After ng Peto. Sa quick one. Lodge at Bow Lake. Okay. Ikaw pa din. The floor is lava. Sige na, magdidip din naman kayo. Magdip ka na kuya. Go. Bouncy, that one. Here.
Dad, don't let us swim.
Yeah, let us swim like that.
Yeah, lalagyan natin siya sa lake.
No,
Ha?
we're keeping him.
No, we're not allowed to bring.
Hello, buddy. Oh, now my turn. How do I hold it? I have the rocks in my hand.
Oh, gawin mo kay Bella. Si Bella na maglalagay sa lake.
Bella.
Pwede yung lake. Bye-bye.
You go swim.
Okay, it's time for you.
Just get out. Oh, you're going back to the surface.
Huh?
Going back to the shore. You want to go?
Okay, guys. We're done sa Peto Lake. Ayun siya. Tapos na kami. Ito naman kami sa Emerald. Emerald Lake. So yun guys. May nagpante dito.
Sabi na nagbibideo si Daddy Bella. Sabi na, so yun guys.
Yun guys, hindi namin nagpante dito. Oh. Ayun siya. Ito kami sa Emerald Lake. Medyo late na kami. Ayan. Hey guys. We're here sa Emerald. Here na sa Emerald Lake. Emerald Lake, Emerald Lake. Sa Emerald Lake. Titingnan lang namin din. Shoot and go lang tayo. There you go.
Door. Oh, no.
Sure. Lake. Okay.
Ano?
Like how many hours?
How many hours ako dati? That's 8 or 9.
Okay.
Hindi, mabilis ka lang kay Bella.
Like 1
Konting
minute?
walk ka lang eh.
Mabilis lang ako, Bella, ng ano. No, ay, nagpunta kami ni Daddy ng madaling araw sa hospital. Mga 4 a.m. Tapos, no, Daddy, nanganak ako, ano din eh, hapon na.
Kaya nga, pero mabilis ka lang kay Bella. Doon sa may konting area ka lang.
Ay, oo, dahil nung papaumaga nanganak
Not
na
like
ako.
Jacob, it took like 32 hours.
Wait, guys, stop. Guys, stop. What made us all talk about this again?
Huh?
What made us all talk about this?
Oh, what made us started this?
Cause Kuya asked.
I think we started on a poop.
Ano po twin poop.
No, I think it started with like maybe the rat.
Oh, the rat?
The rat's a bathroom.
Rat's a bathroom.
Yeah.
Yeah, then nagpunta sa amin kay Kuya. Tapos sabi ni Mami, miracle baby.
No, you said that first.
Oh yeah, I said that kasi it's a miracle.
No father is a code saver. You know that commercial? Sabi, it's a miracle. It's a miracle. Sabi, no father, it's a code saver.
Kaya Kuya, dapat lagi ka magpe-pray, be thankful ka. Kasi God makes you live. Kasi you know, I was so worried that time. Kasi si Mami mo na-pass out.
Wait, actually?
Yeah, nag-pass out siya nung last push. Sabi nung is cause they're trying to decide kung ikakat yung tummy ni Mami para lumabas ka or ipupul ka. So they decide to pull you.
Eh, oo nga pala na, ano nga pala ako, no, nawala nga pala ako malay sa sobrang
Oo.
sakit.
Then
Ay, hindi, nag-chill ako, nag-chill pala.
yeah, after the last push, Mami shake a lot.
Shake
I
too
didn't know,
much.
hindi ko alam kung sino, I didn't know kung sino pupuntahan ko, kung si Mami or ikaw. Hindi ko alam kung sino pupuntahan ko, kung si Mami or ikaw, kasi ikaw, nung lumabas ka, hindi ka nag-vibrate. Tinakbo ka nila sa sa may incubator para lagyan ng oxygen.
Si Bluey ka, di ba?
Dahil si Bluey ka. Tapos si Ma. Then I lie to your mom. Ha? Kasi mom is asking you, how are you? While mommy is shaking. Sabi ko, you're alive, pero hindi.
Sino ako?
Oo. Para hindi siya mag-worry. Tapos then suddenly you cry.
Ako?
Yeah. And that's a miracle.
A lie became true.
Yeah. Huh?
A lie became true.
Oh. Yeah. Our life became true.
And now you're become a extra rice boy.
Ikaw na si extra rice boy.
Right?
With a broken elbow.
Mr. Inasal.
Mr. Inasal.
I think I cried because of my broken elbow.
No, kasi pinalo ka nila sa puwet. Right?
Yeah.
No, not sa puwet, sa lungs pala. Sa back mo.
Yeah, that's why.
Itatap nila yon. Itatap nila yon.
That's why dapat every morning.
Para ma-clear yung lungs mo. tinatap yun para maklear yung lungs mo, maka-breathe ka at saka mag-cry ka na.
That's why every morning you should be singing. Yeah. Lord, thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for pain. Thank you for inasal.
Or another one.
Thank you for rice.
Another one ito. I'm thankful for today. Come what may. Come what may. What's your song, Bella, for Kuya?
Eat fries, eat egg, eat in a sour bread.
Oh boy.
Yeah, I think Kuya pee so much sa trip natin.
Yeah, every toilet we si Jacob. Huh?
The clock.
You're putting wee on every toilet in Bump and Jasper.
Yeah.
Is that your sign?
That's not.
Huh? You're signing every toilet.
Yeah, looks like.
It's like you're signing every toilet. Are you gonna sign the Skybridge toilet again? Ha? Hey Jacob, nakita mo ba yung yung first toilet doon sa may harapan kanina, yung yung ayaw magbukas? Alam mo kung bakit pinupush na kita doon sa pang-girl? Kasi narinig ko yung nasa loob, sabi, narinig ba? Narinig ba?
Oh yeah.
Saan? Doon sa
Sa unang toilet. Kaya
Sa
kabaho
unang
doon.
toilet.
Sabi nga. Oh boy. May 24 minutes tayo, guys. Layo pa tayo.
Then how did she revive?
Ako?
Uh-huh.
Binigyan na ako ng pain reliever, I guess. In-injectan ako.
And then they spent 80 Robux. Mommy, but were you shaking?
Oh, anak, really shaking.
Because it hurt a lot?
Yeah. Tapos nawasak yung pekpek ko kasi ang laki mo.
Another wasak.
Napunit.
Napunit.
Okay.
Like the break?
Yeah.
Break.
That's right.
Pretend it's on the
Pretend yung paper, pinunit.
Tapos tinahi, sinuture.
Tapos sinuture lang.
Oh,
Tinahe. Sewing.
Is it still there or did it dissolve?
Na-dissolve na. Kagaya nung sa'yo, na-dissolve na din.
Pag si Bella was born, it's already dissolved.
si Bella,
Yeah.
maliit lang si Bella eh.
Because if it wasn't, they would
Bella was so fast. Ang tuwi ni Bella, alam mo kung ano, utot.
Umutot lang.
Umutot lang si Mami, tapos si Bella lumabas. Yeah, that's true.
Oo, kaya si Bella mabaho.
Nakita mo yung picture ng mga doktor? Ha?
Bella, nakita mo yun yung picture ng mga doktor nang lumabas ka?
Yeah, kaya they're all smiling.
yeah.
Kaya they're all smiling. Kasi natatawa sila kay Mami na utot na mahaba.
Nakita mo yung Bella, yung picture?
I didn't see them smiling though.
Can I see, guys?
Wala anak, wala akong picture nun eh. Si Daddy meron. Bella, naalala mo yung picture na yun?
Daddy, can I see
Yeah,
it?
it's like some TV.
In black and white?
Yeah.
Can I
What?
see?
In black and white?
Yung color, black and white
Daddy, but
picture.
can I see the phone one?
Yeah, pamaya pagka may signal. Internet eh.
But we could still see it because it's just photos.
No, we have to find it. Sa
Yeah, it
Google.
was on the hard sa cloud. Yeah.
I think they would smile more as a TJ that eat mommy when they go to work.
Oh, maybe they're like,
Yeah, may picture din ako nun eh. May video ako nung si Jacob nung binoborn. Wanna see the video when we come back to it? Yeah, I think I have.
but did you record the poo?
Yeah.
Did it go on the white floor?
Yeah, hindi sa floor, sa bed. Yeah.
I bet they cleaned it.
Yeah, I was so sad. Kasi yung twin brother mo nilagay sa garbage.
Mommy, was it mountain or like near?
Heart.
Alright. I was using the GoPro that time.
Oh, I think you still had the Samsung, right?
I don't know.
You?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
Huh?
Worst place. Alright. Let's go to the bridge first.
Your favorite, my favorite place to sing at.
Huh? So little, right? See? Can't reach it. Ah. Jacob, baba ka muna. Wait for your turn. Yan si Kuya, nagsisipline na. Kung kakayanin mo.
Yeah, it's gonna be Bella Great Adventure by Pacific.
Mom, you're not young yet.
Go in the middle. Yeah, but we're going back by the zip line.
Yeah. Look at her.
So yun guys. May mga nagtatapang-tapangan dito. Ah,
No. I don't want to
ano naman oh. Ah,
Selfie.
diba? Lagi pa tayo sa gitna. Ah. Go.
I can hold it.
It's okay. It's not gonna fall. Very safe to. Very safe daw guys. Healthy.
Baka tumakbo siguro pag
Oh my god.
Yes, go. Lagi mo.
Hindi ko siniswing. Siniswing ko daw. Eh maswing naman talaga. Swing oh. Ayun yung swing. Gusto mo yan? Ha? Ayun, zipline oh. I'm here dito. Yeah, you're more safe on me. Because I... Alright, we made it. We made it. Ah, easy peasy.
That was a skybird. It wasn't here.
It's the upper sky bridge here. How was it?
Okay, here.
It's good?
Scary.
Huh?
But
How about you?
so warm.
Made it, right?
Hot,
Hot?
sweaty hands.
Sweaty hands? Huh? Sweaty hands? Alright. Now,
Gusto mo mag-swing kayo,
Ganun.
Daddy?
wanna go swing?
Ha? Gusto mo mag-swing din kayo?
Wait, is that gonna? Are you gonna drop you like some
Yeah.
water?
It's gonna drop.
Where I
Kung
bet
kaya
the
ni-
fell. I saw
kaya-
grass. Fell.
Meron naman. Oo.
It's a grass.
Sana, idadrop silang dalawa.
The bridge could hold 32,000 kilograms. Ah. Oh, that will be your end. Mami, meron din coaster oh. Scared. More fun. Right.
Have you guys already zip line today?
First time.
But are you gonna go on the swing?
Yeah.
I survived it.
I survived the ski slip
You like
line.
this, right? Oh, you can have mine too.
Yeah, I could have mine. And give it to all your classmates.
No, mine.
No, that's
Thank
okay.
you.
Well, you always look down.
Yeah, nag-lockdown ka para ma-enjoy, di ba? Nag-lockdown ka?
Sabi ni Joe, I thought I'm gonna almost die.
So ayun guys, we survived the zip line. Show your zip line.
Yeah, I'm putting it in a Ziploc.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it in the souvenir. And it's really messy, and I don't want to get dirty because this is so fun.
Yeah, this is so fun, right? Okay guys, enjoy silang lahat. So, I was the first. You know when I got there, sabi niyang ganon, sabi nung babae, oh, looks like your friends will not gonna make it. Ito. Yan yung radio din, sabi ko ganon. Kasi, radio. Tapos sabi, wait lang daw. Tapos
Sabi nga, oh, I'm trying to convince them. Sabi ng babae.
Tapos si Bella next. Si Bella nag-next.
I'm trying to convince them.
Si Bella nag-next, right?
Sabi niya-
Bella, ano sabi mo nung bago ka mag-jump?
I said, wait, I forgot. It'll stick. I'll think about it.
Did you look down?
I looked down the whole ride.
Right.
I was like,
Because it was fun, right? They said it's the view, right? Kuya, ano sabi mo?
huh? Before you like jumped.
Si Mami, ano?
That's so scary.
Ano Mami, munti ka bang himatayin?
Alam ko nga rin eh, hindi ko mayaw, tatanong ko na kung magkano yung pwede mag-repunch.
May picture ba tayo doon? Patingin.
Yun lang, yung ipapicture tayo sa
Ano
kanila.
na?
Gusto ko mag-picture sana tayo pagdating natin. Hindi
Wala
pa
na
madali.
time.
Ito, buti na lang. Buti na lang, kinuha ko pa yung cellphone ko, no, kahit pa paano meron.
Pwede na yan. Ayan. Yo guys, wala kaming video doon kasi hindi daw pwede yung camera. So, ayun.
Mom, I have a gift for
Okay,
you.
driving na kami papunta ng Lake Louise. 51 minutes, 8:01 kami dadating doon. So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Lake Louise. So, nagtatry kami magbayad ng parking. Pero hindi namin alam na after 7 o'clock pala, free na. Yeah. So ayan, naka-night mode na tayo kasi gabi na. Alright. So water is flowing here. Hindi na siguro tayo punta doon, ano? Hindi pa tayo doon.
So yung ba-explore doon? Sa side na yan kung ano meron?
Okay.
Dito na tayo, tingnan na natin. Gusto niya?
Okay, explore natin.
Ano, andito na tayo, tingnan natin. Gusto niya? Dito tayo mag-walk.
Hindi lang walk dyan.
Dito pala. Wala picture niya.
Alright. So guys, it's night time na. Magas kami dito. Nagaling na namin sa Lake Louise. Bibili na rin kami ng dinner dito. Pizza na lang siguro or something. So it's already... Totoo yan. Ako lang kung bakit ganyan yung orasan dyan lagi. Dito to. Ang tunay na oras... Ay, totoo pala. 9 o'clock na. And we're driving 2 hours. Darating kami sa Calgary. Ayun guys, mukhang naka-jackpot si Kuya. Nakakuha sila ng masarap na pagkain. Pagkain mo? Oh, pancake. Ayun guys, dinner namin ito. Yun ang nag-dinner namin. Hintay ko pa yakin, nandun pa daw si Mami. Hindi na microwave pa. Jacob. Good? Okay guys, time check. And how you guys doing there? Sleepy? Tired? Kami ngayon waiting for Mami. Mami nagche-check in dito sa country. You guys tired? So tired. Oh, mantok. Upunit na si Bella. Ito na si Mami.
What coffee we got?
Ay, may nakalimutan ako. Nakalimutan ko ang aking Tylenol.